What are you doing?
I had a stem. This is CBD. And this is how you roll CBD flower, because I don't have my medical card yet. Perfectly every single time with a dollar bill and a 1.4 rolling paper. I always rip a little bit off the end because you might need it if it becomes pregnant or if it rips, but it never does that when I do it like this. Never does that.
Yeah, it smells perfect drug. There's something I love about that, like the beat of it and the way the words fit in. It's one of my favorites.
Perfect joint every time.
Highway soundtrack, and then I saw something.
One time, try.
Was like, yeah, that's my least favorite song.
No trying to roll it 2 or 3 times before you get it.
Okay, cool with it. It's alright. It happens. It happens. Music up soon from
Every single time it's perfect. Every single time it's perfect. You can roll them as fat or as small as you want. Sometimes I like to mix tobacco in mine because, it makes it smoother for me. And, yeah, that's it. You can stop it.